channel. I'm Yogashri. I'm a girl who likes to wear nail colors all the time. If I won't do my nails, I won't be much comfortable. If you are a college going or office going girl, you must avoid wearing bright or pop-up nail colors because it doesn't go with every outfit which you wear. So that's the reason today I'll be recommending must have everyday wear nail colors for all the girls. So quickly let's get started with the video.
This nail polish is from Inside Cosmetics. It is actually pastel pink shade. It is perfect for everyday wear and it takes 3 thin coats to give that perfect manicure look. This shade is from SQ. It is actually chocolatey color. Since the formula is pretty creamy, it looks best with 2 coats and it doesn't chip easily. You can wear it for every day. This light lavender color nail polish is from My Glam. This shade can be worn easily for office and day-to-day life where you don't want to dazzle your nails but just to give them some colors that they deserve. The plus point of this nail paint is it dries very quickly. The next nail polish is from Faces Canda. This is a beautiful shade. If you apply 2 coats, it will give you a medium brownish color and it is suitable for all type of Indian skin tone. The formulation is excellent and it dries immediately. You can consider it for wearing every day. This nail polish is from the brand called Juice. This is actually a classy nude shade, a very creamy in texture and gives a glossy finish which makes the hands look more attractive and it looks natural as well. Yellow nail polishes is in biggest nail trend nowadays. It is such a lovely nude color with a hint of yellow. I love this shade. If you want not too subtle, not too bright colors for every day, you can consider this one. This nail polish is from the brand V9. It is a light peach color. It will give you a very cool and tropical vibes to your nails. If you apply 2 coats of it, it will stay up to 9 to 10 days without chipping and it dries very quickly as well. You can consider this for wearing every day. This nail polish is from Miss Nails. I really love this unicorn color. It gives the perfect mirror shine finish to your nails. It is highly resistant on chirping. The shine stays for more than 2 weeks. You can consider this as one of the best quality nail polish for every day.
So that's it for today's video. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you soon in the next video.